What are the two main job attitudes that influence workplace behavior, and how are they related? The two main job attitudes are job satisfaction and organizational commitment. Job satisfaction refers to how people feel about their job, while organizational commitment is the emotional attachment they have to the company. When employees are satisfied with their jobs, they often become more committed to the organization, making both attitudes closely related. How do job characteristics impact employee satisfaction and commitment? Job characteristics significantly influence employee satisfaction and commitment. When jobs allow employees to use a variety of skills, provide autonomy, offer feedback, and involve performing meaningful tasks, employees tend to feel more satisfied and committed to their work. What is organizational justice, and what are its three categories? Organizational justice refers to how fair employees feel they are treated in the workplace. The three categories are procedural justice, fairness in the processes used to make decisions, distributive justice, fairness in how outcomes and rewards are distributed, and interactional justice, fairness in the way information is communicated. What does the psychological contract entail in an employment relationship? The psychological contract is the unspoken understanding between an employee and the organization regarding mutual expectations. For example, an employee may believe that if they work hard and receive good performance evaluations, they will be rewarded with bonuses and promotions. This mutual expectation shapes their behavior and commitment to the organization. Why are relationships at work crucial for job satisfaction and organizational commitment? Relationships at work, especially with coworkers and managers, play a significant role in job satisfaction and organizational commitment. Research shows that a considerate manager who builds trust with their team can enhance job satisfaction, while strong relationships with coworkers can lead to a more supportive work environment. How does stress affect employee satisfaction and commitment? The level of stress in a job is directly related to employee satisfaction and commitment. High stress levels, whether from environmental factors, interpersonal conflicts, or organizational pressures, can lead to lower job satisfaction. However, not all stress is negative. Some stresses can motivate employees and enhance their work experience. What is meant by person-environment fit in the workplace? Person-environment fit refers to how well an employee's values, personality, and skills align with the company's culture and job requirements. A good fit often leads to higher job satisfaction and commitment, as employees feel more comfortable and engaged in their roles. What are the 4 work behaviors that can impact an organization? The 4 work behaviors are: 1. Job performance, how well an employee fulfills their job responsibilities. 2. Citizenship, voluntary actions that benefit the organization and coworkers. 3. Absenteeism, unscheduled absences from work, which can disrupt productivity. 4. Turnover, when employees leave the organization, which can be costly for employers. How does self-perception affect workplace behavior? Self-perception can lead to biases that affect workplace behavior. For instance, self-enhancement bias may cause individuals to overestimate their abilities, while self-effacement bias may lead others to underestimate themselves. These biases can influence how employees engage with their jobs and interact with others. Why is understanding personality important in employee selection? Understanding personality is crucial in employee selection because it helps ensure a good fit between the candidate and the organization. A candidate's personality traits can predict how well they will perform in their job and how they will interact with coworkers. This can reduce conflict and turnover, leading to a more harmonious workplace. What is the significance of understanding the personality of employees in the workplace? Understanding employee personalities is crucial for effective management. It helps in assessing how well an individual fits a job, a team, and the organization as a whole. A poor fit can lead to conflict and higher turnover rates, impacting overall organizational performance. What are the Big 5 personality traits, and why are they important? The Big 5 personality traits are: 1. Agreeableness, it involves compassion and cooperation with others. 2. Conscientiousness, it refers to being organized and responsible. 3. Extroversion, it pertains to sociability and assertiveness. 4. Neuroticism, it involves emotional sensitivity and negative feelings. 5. Openness to experience, it relates to curiosity and creativity. These traits are important as they can influence job performance, team dynamics, and leadership potential. How does self-monitoring affect workplace interactions? Self-monitoring is the ability of a person to observe and regulate their actions and appearance in social settings. Individuals with high self-monitoring can adapt their behavior to fit social situations, which can lead to better relationships and teamwork in the workplace. What is proactive personality, and how does it benefit organizations? A proactive personality refers to a person's natural inclination to take initiative and solve problems. Employees with proactive personalities can drive change, identify and fix issues before they escalate, and contribute positively to a dynamic work environment. What is self-efficacy, and how does it impact job performance? Self-efficacy is an individual's belief in their ability to successfully perform specific tasks. It is job-specific and influences how employees approach challenges. Higher self-efficacy can lead to better performance, as individuals are more likely to take on tasks and persist in the face of difficulties. How do Machiavellianism and locus of control differ in the context of personality traits? Machiavellianism is a personality trait characterized by manipulation and exploitation for personal gain. In contrast, locus of control refers to how much individuals believe they can control events in their lives. Those with an internal locus of control believe they can influence outcomes, while those with an external locus of control feel that outside forces determine their fate. Why do companies use personality testing in employee selection? Companies use personality testing as a tool to assess candidates' character traits and ensure a good fit for the organization. By identifying personalities that align with company values and job requirements, organizations can improve selection effectiveness and reduce turnover rates. Scenario: Maria has been working at XYZ Corporation for 2 years and has recently expressed dissatisfaction with her job. Although she enjoys the project she works on, she feels her contributions are not recognized by her manager, which has made her question her commitment to the company. Meanwhile, her colleague, John, feels valued and appreciated for his work, which has strengthened his emotional attachment to the organization. Based on the scenario provided, analyze the factors affecting Maria's job satisfaction and organizational commitment compared to John. Discuss the implications for both employees and the organization. Maria's situation highlights the significance of recognition in job satisfaction and organizational commitment. While she enjoys the projects, her lack of acknowledgement from her manager is diminishing her job satisfaction. This can lead to decreased motivation and lower performance, as employees who feel unrecognized often withdraw emotionally from their work. On the other hand, John's positive experience, where he feels valued, directly enhances his job satisfaction. His emotional attachment to XYZ Corporation reflects a strong organizational commitment, leading him to be more engaged and productive in his role. Factors affecting Maria's job satisfaction. 1. Lack of recognition. Maria's contributions are not acknowledged, leading to feelings of undervaluation. 2. Enjoyment of projects. Despite her dissatisfaction, her enjoyment of the projects keeps her somewhat engaged. 3. Impact on motivation. Lack of recognition can lead to decreased motivation, affecting her overall job performance. Factors affecting John's job satisfaction. 1. Recognition and appreciation. John feels valued for his contributions, which boosts his morale. 2. Emotional attachment. His feelings of being appreciated strengthen his commitment to the organization. 3. Engagement and productivity. John's positive experience enhances his overall engagement, leading to higher productivity. Implications for both employees and the organization. 1. Impact on performance. Maria's dissatisfaction may result in decreased performance, while John's satisfaction leads to better outcomes. 2. Retention issues. If Maria's dissatisfaction persists, it may lead to higher turnover rates, costing the organization resources for recruitment and training. 3. Workplace culture. An environment that fails to recognize employee contributions can create a negative culture, affecting overall morale and productivity within the team.